I currently got a DUI in 2018. So what I did is I went on Google and I looked for the best DUI lawyers that Broward County has. So from there, Adam's name came up, and I gave them a call, and they were absolutely nice. Adam said, to come in right away, which is fantastic because I was freaking out. I didn't know what else to do, So I came in and I gave him my situation, and he was on board to help me out. When I looked on Google, I was like, wait, who do I call? Where do I call? And when there's situations that somebody does bad, even a car accident, even a ticket, you start receiving all these type of mail of every type of different law firms, different people, and you don't know what to do. So you're like overwhelmed. But once I saw it online, I was like, okay, I'm going with this person. That's where I'm gonna stay. When the whole DUI happened, they gave us a first offer. They said that they are not going to go with reckless, and they were just going. I had to accept the DUI. They would give me minimum of the probation, which was like 6 months. But I said no. I wanted to fight till the end. So I told Adam, Adam, I want to go ahead and go to trial. We want to fight this. I want to fight this. I want to fight until the end. It's my first time getting this, and I want to go to the end. Adam said if that's something I would like to go ahead and do, he's going to have my back no matter what. So we went ahead and we're going to go to trial. After that, we continued. The whole pandemic happened, but we were still going for it until actually it was time for trial. We went to trial. Well, we attempted to go to trial, and then they still wouldn't budge. They still wouldn't do it, but we were going to continue fighting until recently we were going to go again to trial, and that's where the resolution came about. Absolutely have patience. They're not going to turn you down. They're not going to be one of those lawyers that they ask for money. No, they're going to look out for you no matter what. If you're thinking about, payment, talk to them. They'll give you a payment plan or they'll work with you. That's what they did with me, and they can do that with you. So don't worry. I know it's a stressful thing, but just reach out, and somebody from the team will help out no matter what, any questions you may have. Just reach out. Adam, Manny, and David and the whole firm, the whole team were amazing throughout the whole process. They were on top of it. Any questions I had, they were always there for me. No matter what, I would call, text. They were there for me. So one of the favorite things that I liked about it was that it made you feel like you're a family. It doesn't make you just feel like a client. Like, this is just a client, we're going to work for you. No, it was more like a family. They did everything they can for me, So even till now, my case, after 3 years, that I was thinking that we were not going to win, we were about to lose, even mentally preparing myself. But at the end, we won, and I know that anything I need, they're always going to be there for me.